Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for electronics business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to sign up for free. So get started. Okay, now wait a few seconds. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. Okay, so here where you're gonna design and set up your website in the storefront. So click here, set up your website in the storefront, and it will take you to the editor page. So as you see here, this is the editor page. Okay, so the first thing, click on the settings and go to the templates and select electronics, and here you can select any template or any topic you want for your business. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this template. Okay, so the first thing here you have to do, you have to edit the header in the menu. So go and change your site name, your business name. After this, here you can manage the navigation menu, the store and the delivery, and the contact section. Here also, if you want to add the information, your contact information, your email and your phone, or your social profiles. And the design here, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive so anyone can visit your website and attract to your business. So don't forget the simple details like the font, okay, like the size, the color. Here you can add the frame outline to make it more clear. That's it. Let's move on to the next section, the cover and the headline. Here you have to add the tagline, your site title. For example, you can introduce your business here. You can type welcome to our site for electronics business. Okay, the description here, you can talk about your products and your services. And if you want to change the image, you can change it from the browser or from your library. That's it. Let's move on to the design. So here you have to choose your favorite layout here. Just make sure your sites, it's your design layout is more attractive so anyone can see your website. Okay, that's it. Let's go back and let's move on to the next section. So here in the store section, you have to create your products first. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services, and now click new product. Here you have to add the product gallery of your product, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram, the prices. You can manage the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. Okay, so that's it. If you're done from here, let's go back to the editor, and here you can use this title here, the featured products. And after this, you can design the store, the background and the title, the product name and the product image and the product price. That's it. Let's go back, let's move on to the next. The same thing here, you can change the subtitle. You can add a new subtitle here. You can use this space to talk about your typography or your business, your story of your business, or your relationship with your customers. Why should your customers buy from you or use your services? And don't forget the layout to design. your website in the background. That's it. Let's go back, move on to the next. The same thing here, an attractive description that match with the title and the tagline. You can change this image just from the browser or from your library. And the design, you can choose your favorite one. That's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next, the customer reviews. You can use this title here. If you want to add a review, you can just click here and you can add review text, and you can add the author name and the rating, and that's it. The design, don't forget to choose your favorite one. Okay, just make sure you have to know what you do here. Any layout, it might be match with your business. Okay, now let's move on to the next, the delivery information. The same thing as normal, the title and the subtitle, the description, design here, the background, the title and the subtitle. So let's go back, let's move on to the contact. The same thing here, the title and description. Here you have to add your business address. Okay, you can enter your exact postal address or the plus code. You can add daily hours, the contact information in the social profiles, and don't forget design. So I'm going to choose this layout here of the map. It's much better. Okay, don't forget the background, to change the color. So for example, this color is much better. That's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the footer. So here you have to enter your company name for the copyright, and don't forget to design this section of the footer. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. So if you're done from designing and customizing your website, just click here, publish, and your publicity will be published. Your site will be published, and now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.